Hello everyone. Welcome to today's adventure in the Azure portal. Today we're diving deep into the exciting realm of IoT, that is Internet of Things, as we explore how to create IoT Hub device provisioning services. It's like setting up a digital assembly line for your IoT devices, making deployment very easy. But before you move on with the session, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel and clicked on this bell icon so that you may never miss any update from us. So moving on, what exactly is IoT Hub? Now IoT Hub is like a central command center for all your smart devices, which allows them to seamlessly connect and communicate with each other and with other cloud services. Imagine it as a central hub where all your IoT devices connect and communicate. It's like the control tower at an airport, coordinating the movement of planes, or in this case, data, to ensure everything runs smoothly. Well, IoT Hub simplifies the complexity of managing a network of IoT devices, making it easier for you to build, deploy, and scale your IoT solutions. Now, moving on to what is IoT Hub Device Provisioning Service? Azure IoT Device Provisioning Service automates the process of connecting your devices to the right IoT hub. So instead of manually configuring each device, you can sit back and let the provisioning service do its thing. Whether you're deploying a handful of devices or thousands of them, provisioning services ensures a smooth experience from start to finish. Moving on to the objective of this lab. The main objective of creating a lab on Azure IoT Hub Device Provisioning Service is to empower individuals or teams with the knowledge, skills, and confidence needed to leverage device provisioning service effectively in IoT projects, ultimately driving innovation and efficiency in IoT solutions. So let's start with a small scenario. You work for a company, Mac Devices, that manufactures smart home devices, including thermostats and security cameras, which connect to the cloud for remote monitoring and control. Now, to streamline the onboarding process for new devices and ensure seamless integration into customers' home, your team decides to implement Azure IoT Hub Device Provisioning Service. Now, to create a VNet for this company, let's review the requirements of it. So, based on the outline requirements, the company needs to create an IoT hub and link it with the device provisioning service. This integration will streamline onboarding and ensure seamless connectivity for smart home devices. Implementing this setup will enhance remote monitoring and control capabilities. Let's proceed with setting up the IoT hub and configuring device provisioning service for optimal performance. You can pause the video and take a look at these requirements because we'll be using these details in our lab. So are you ready to dive deeper? Unlock exclusive content and demonstration by attending our demo on Azure IoT Hub Device Provisioning Service. We'll show you how your company can monitor and control smart devices on Azure within an on-premises environment. Dive deeper into the tools by visiting our website.